Hello friends, very good evening. Myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. And this video, I'm going to discuss about the stocks which we have selected by yesterday and how the stock is performed. And we are going to select stock for tomorrow based on the candlesticks pattern. That is what I'm going to discuss in this video. If you are a new, kindly subscribe. So yesterday we selected some stocks like Reliance, Chola Finance, Torrent Power, Lalpath Lab, and SBI Life. These are the stocks we selected based on the doji, right? So how the stock is performed? I think Reliance is performed well because one of the my student who made profit on Reliance, that he shared around 2600, he booked an intraday, I think. So that we are seeing here, and I have shared this trades on my Telegram. If you want to join my Telegram, the link which I provided in the description, you can copy the link and you can join my Telegram channel. So you will be getting some alerts and daily stock scanners on the Telegram group, right? So 2600 rupees on Reliance, 2660 put option he made a trade in today. And let me check it out what happened on Reliance. And let me check it out. We discussed about Reliance. It is forming a doji at a top, and let's see, once it is broken, immediately he was taken, I think he was taken a trade of 2660 put option. Like he made a quick profit, I think, but finally it is not giving you, yeah. So after first 15 minutes, after first 5 minutes, it gives you the entry at the same point of 2655. Within a 15 minutes, it's coming down towards 15 points. Okay, he made a profit. Okay, it's a 15-point move down, and it was a chance to make profit of 15 points in a Reliance after our entry point. So that we marked yesterday, that entry point is broken down and it is giving you such a trade opportunity, and he booked a profit, and finally it went higher and closed. And if you see the daily candlesticks pattern, so today also looks like a doji, but it is not an exact doji, but it is look like a doji. And if you are checking that in the last 3 days, it's not moving well and forming a doji, a hammer, and again a spinning top kind of candle which is forms at the topmost level. So what we getting from those kind of logic is about the stock is in top level or highest level, which is struggling to move upside. Maybe the chances it can coming down positional basis, right? So we can focus this level. So these three candles having forming a doji, hammer, and a kind of things. So we may use this. If it is fallen down, we may expect that down at this level of 2625, and we can keep the stop loss of 2661. So 3 consecutive days, there is no big movement on this stock, maybe struggling at the top level, which which confirms the it may not ability to move upside, but it's a consolidated. After the trend, it is consolidating for a 3 days. Maybe the position may be winding out, the long position may be winding out, so there is a chances it may go down. So as of our yesterday selection, that was generating a 15 rupees profit, that was good enough, right, for an intraday trade. But positional trade, still it is open for a downside, and with a stop loss of 2661, that is what a stop loss we are waiting for, that particular thing. And the second stock which we have filtered out by yesterday, that's about yesterday we seen five stocks. Let's Chola Finance. That is also we discussed, and this is also moves here from 800 and 784, and it fallen down to 777. Some 6 rupees is generated, and it closed by 781.7, which is around from compared to our entry point, it's giving you 3 rupees. But compared to the day's low, that were giving you some 7-8 points. So that gives you the confirmation. Maybe even the positional basis, it can be continues the trend for a down. This as well our stop loss around 801 as our stop loss, but still in intraday also it is working well and good. So that is the second stock which is worked better. And Torrent Power, that we are expecting more. Torrent Power, what happened? So yeah, here it's showing you the sell that may be entered. Let me check it out 5-minute chart. So that was triggered but 9:15 itself. After that, the low is not broken, so there is no entry on selling side, right? But Reliance, it is broken and then it coming to the same price after 9:20. So that you have to focus. It may be not giving you entry, or if you take entry, it's another chance. It is ending with the loss of 6 rupees. No problem, but still it never trigger your stop loss it. And Lal Path is the another stock we are finding out by yesterday in what happened in Lal Path. So initially it went higher. I think it is never giving you any entry. I think it's not giving you any entry opportunity. Got it? So another inside candle with the Dr. Lal Path Lab at highest level. We can expect tomorrow at this level buy and this level sell. So even this level for a Lal Path Lab, it is more powerful. Previous day doji and today is the inside. So inside bar. So it's even the doji level is more powerful compared to today's scenario. It is more powerful. So still the trade is open, so we can focus for the stocks for tomorrow also. Let me wait for how the Lal Path Lab will work, and let me check it out by tomorrow. But there is no entry opportunities on this stock. And finally, SBI Life, we have seen about SBI Life. What happened? Yeah, it gives you buy opportunity and it continues. I said. So the entry price is around 1321 and it moves up to 1333, almost 11 rupees. The risk for the trade is almost 30 rupees, but it generated only 11 rupees. May have the chance it may continue tomorrow. So these are the stocks which you have selected based on our candlesticks pattern that was worked well today, right? So this will working good, but intraday you can focus, but it's a positional reversal only. Intraday may be giving you the target and stop loss by next day itself, but positional I'm talking about mainly positional. Let me find out those stock we are going to find for a tomorrow. What was the stocks for a selection for a tomorrow? Let I open the scanner. So first one is GNFC and 𝐭𝐶 Motor. So 𝐭𝐶 Motor is not good for option trading, but even if you are investing such a kind of thing, you can go for a 𝐭𝐶 Motor. 𝐭𝐶 Motor having doji. Yes, the doji at top. So what was the level for this 𝐭𝐶 Motor? It looks like a spinning top, right? But due to the value, so the stock, let me check it out. 𝐭𝐶 Motor, right? Due to the value 3400, it may looks like a doji. We are using the percentage calculations. Don't compare that. This is a percentage calculation. It looks like a doji. The level for the traders 3438 and 3374. So if the stock breaks tomorrow, it's moving higher. It's about 3438 should be the stop or entry level, because it may be continues the trend also, because the upper and lower break is equal. So maybe if it goes down below 3374, we go for a sell or a stop for a buy. So both the sides which possible on this particular 𝐭𝐶 Motor. So that is what another thing which we can focus for 𝐭𝐶 Motor that is working well. So tomorrow we can expect that may be working well, right? So this was the first stock one, and the second stock which we are going to focus is for a GNFC, that's about shooting star, right? So let me go for a shooting star. Hammer, we didn't find any hammer. So shooting star in GNFC. Yes, this looks like a shooting star. Good. So here, can you find out there is another shooting star like candle, but here it generated the sell entry, and next day it fallen down big. Almost the small shooting star candle, the risk is very less, and today 798, 783. Oh, big points. 798, almost 7 plus 8, 15 points is the stop loss for the trade. And from here to here, let me check it out. The shooting star may have the reversal after consecutive 3 days up. So after consecutive 3 days up, there is a reversal possible. The level for the traders, let me try. The level, okay, sorry. Level for the trade is 798 is the stop level. That is the highest level shooting star, which is we are expecting only downside. We are focusing for a sell opportunity. On that is around, if it is breaks below 785, so we are going to focus for a sell, and we keep the stop loss around 790, 798 as a stop loss, but it looks like a big stop loss. Don't go to, if you are taking a high risk, don't go to this kind of trade. So for a small risk trader, don't avoid this kind of trade because of 15 point, or you can try with the equity with your desired risk. So only two stocks we filtered. One is GNFC, and another one is Eicher Motor. These two we find out, and few stocks I find out how the shootings are. One of my client is asking about IEX, that I'm going to check it out. IEX. This is what this is not a this is what almost a shooting star, but why it is not filtered by our scanner by yesterday? Because of this body and the lower wick and higher wick. But I'm going to check it out, the shooting star daily. But this was a great candle. So today it for breakdown around 172, it coming down to 162, almost 10 rupees. And few days back I'm holding position on that. Yesterday it forms a great shooting star. But I'm going to calculate why it is not coming. But it looks like a shooting star. Maybe the formula we cannot get it. Let me check it out. Shooting star. So that looks good, but we missed out the opportunity. The scanners, shooting star. I missed out yesterday. Why? It's about daily, right? But I'm not getting that shooting star filter by yesterday. But it looks like a great shooting star, but it has worked well. And I'm going to finding out that shooting star. IDFC we seen, right? It's what 18th August. I think that stock was not filtered out. IDFC also we seen few days back. IDFC by shooting star. IDFC first bar at this point, right? So it never giving you the opportunity. So let's check it out how the system is works. So because it is a scanner, we filter out. So only GNFC and Eicher Motor is for tomorrow's trade. That looks good. And that's about this video. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you liked it, share to your friends. If you have any questions or a doubt, just comment on the comment box. Thank you for watching this, and thank you very much.